Hello, welcome to week 13 of our Calc 4 course on differential equations. Let's give an overview of what is going to happen this week. The main element of this week is going to be that we have the third midterm on Friday afternoon, noon to midnight. It's going to be 3 or 4 pen and paper exercises with a time of 2 hours. As last two midterms, it's going to be organized as a Canvas quiz and an assignment for submission. So the Canvas quiz is the typed part. You're not going to be able to access it once you have closed it. And then in the assignment, you just submit within 15 minutes of closing your Canvas quiz, you submit a PDF of your submission. Please only submit one PDF. Multiple ones, it's a bit confusing to understand if the latest one overrides the previous ones, or if you have to look at each of them because they're different exercises. So please just send one PDF. Topics that are covered during the third midterm are all of chapter 7 that we have covered during the course, sections 1 to 8. I have published a mock-up exam, so you can go through the precise list of which topics were covered during these sections. It's basic, it's broadly everything that we have covered about linear systems of ODEs with constant coefficients. And I have posted some examples of exercises based on what we have covered up to now. Obviously, all the usual deadlines are still in place, but because of the midterm, the amount of math that we're going to be doing this week it's limited. We're only going to be talking about the phase plane in linear systems. This is both as an overview of everything we went through in chapter 7, so it can be used as a review for the midterm, but it's also a warm-up towards nonlinear systems. What happens in nonlinear systems is that things can be a lot of different things can happen, but close to the equilibria, things will happen in the same way as they did in linear systems. So we are going to review linear systems because we're going to be using this information about linear systems when we're going to be talking about nonlinear systems next week.